Hello traders, in this video today we are going to review the VFX alert signal provider. So this signal provider has been there for quite some time. They've been providing signals for binary options, forex and cryptocurrency trading. So let's see what they offer. If you need to get a VFX alert signal account, click the first link in the description below, register your account and choose your plan for you to start getting the signals. So the first area, you can get the signals when you click on this area. On this other section, you can see which broker you can connect with their platform. So you can connect with Pocket Option, OLYMPTRADE, BINOMO, Binary.com, IQ Option, and all other brokers. On this area, you can download their applications. So they offer applications both for macOS, Windows, Android, and iOS. So you can choose from these 4 options. On this area, you can read different blogs. On this area, we can see their pricing plans. So the first plan is a free plan, which is unlimited and it's lifelong. You can have it forever and get unlimited number of signals. There's no any restrictions. But you'll not be able to get Telegram alerts, you'll not be able to view the heat maps, the signal power, and you'll not be able to connect with any broker, and you'll not get any signal preset or dashboard tools or X Signals Pro license. The second plan is a $39 plan, which is a test plan and lasts for 30 days. You get unlimited number of signals, you get 1,000 Telegram alerts, and you also get these other features. The third plan is the basic plan, which is around $89. So this means that each month you are paying $29.66 because this plan runs for 3 months. You get unlimited number of signals and 10,000 Telegram alerts. So the fourth plan is what we call the premium plan. This plan comes with unlimited number of signals and 100,000 Telegram alerts, and it runs for 1 year, costing you around $169. So these are roughly $14 per month. So this one will get you for 1 year. The last one is the ultimate plan, which costs around $300 and it's roughly $8 per month. It runs for 3 years. You get unlimited number of signals and you get 100,000 Telegram alerts and you get all these other features. So from these 5 plans, you can choose the one that suits you. So from there, you can go in this area and see how the signal works. So you can read about the VFX alert application. You can watch this video and see how it works, but we can just go through the signal structure because it will help us understand how to take our trades. So this is an example. This is a Euro USD pair. So this area represents the trading asset, as you can see. Number 1 is the trading asset. Number 2 represents the quote of the price when the signal appeared. So this is the quote of the price. Number 3, it represents the time since the appearance of the signal. So on this area, you get the time since the first appearance of the signal. Number 4, it shows you that recommended time for expiration. So it can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, depending with how you're trading. Number 5 represents the algorithm used for the signal searching. So this is the area, like this area you can see this is the CCI. So it's using the CCI algorithm to get you the signal. Number 6 is the signal to buy or sell. So it's roughly the put and buy option. So if it's green, it indicates the buy option. If it is red, it's a put option. Number 7 represents the signal power. So this is the signal power. The more the bars, the stronger the signal. So if you get 4 bars, 5 bars, that's a very strong signal to either buy or sell. And lastly, number 8 represents the heat map. So the heat map is the power of the current trend or reversal, and it is determined by statistics and indicators for the current time frame. So it displays data for indicators 2 in 1 time frame. So that's ideally how the signal is taken. So it's very easy to get their signals. You can just click on this tab and you follow the process. You can also connect with them through Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Then you can rewatch the video and see how the signals work. It's very easy to start. You just sign up, choose a broker, learn to trade, and get the signals. As you can see, they have 713,658 number of registered users, 38,647 number of clients, and 8 years of successful experience. So they are not new in the market. Then one thing that I need to tell you is that they have the X offers. With the X offers is whereby you get up to 70% from user purchases. So any user that you refer, you get 70%. So you can also check on their X offers and become their partner with the X offers. So let's go to the vfxalert app and see how to trade with it. So I've just logged in into my IQ Option account. From this first area, I have my vfxalert app and I've chosen Forex Adaptive 1 minute time frame. This is just my web browser. I've minimized it, as you can see, and I've also chosen Forex Adaptive but with 5 minutes time frame. So our entry time frame will be on 1 minute, but we'll be using 5 minutes as our higher time frame. So if you get a sell signal on the 1 minute and at the same time a strong sell signal in the 5 minutes, we'll take our trade. So let's try and find a trading opportunity. So we have USD yen pair. You can see USD yen pair is down 3 bars in 1 minute. Again, in 5 minutes, it's still down 3 bars. So we can take our trade. We can take our trade in the expiry period of 5 minutes. Then I can take a put option because the red signal represents a put option. The green one represents a buy option. But here, both in 1 minute and in 5 minutes, we're having a red signal bar. So we are required to do a put option. So let's wait for the outcome. Then we can look for another opportunity. This Euro GBP. Euro GBP, it's also down. So with 1 minute, it's down. With 5 minutes, it's down. But with the 5 minutes, we are remaining with the expiry period of around 2 minutes. So I can do expiry period of around 2 minutes. Then I do a put option. So let's wait for the outcome. Euro, yen. Let's see. In the 1 minute, it's down, but in the 5 minutes, it's up. So we cannot take that signal. We need to wait. So let's wait for the outcome of these 2 trades and see how it goes. So you just need to analyze the market, and you can also incorporate your price action. Despite the app giving you a trade signal, you can also incorporate your price action. Like in this chart, you can just see it's a downtrend because the market is forming lower highs and lower lows. And here the same thing. We had a very strong bearish candle and you're having a very strong bearish momentum. So this shows you that this market has higher chances of going more down. So you cannot just take also the signals blindly. You need also to analyze the charts and incorporate your price action. So here again, the market is in a very strong downtrend. Very strong downtrend from this area. Initially it was in a strong uptrend, as you can see. So we expect more downward movement from this market. So let's wait for the closure of this trade. So again, very strong downward movement on this chart. Because the market is making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So this shows you that it's a very strong downtrend. You can see. Very strong seller's entry. So we've won this trade. And you can see how we have used the signal. We have not just used the 1 minute chart only, or the 1 minute signal area only. We are using a 5 minute higher time frame, but we are entering in a 1 minute time frame. So we've won this trade. Let's wait for this other trade. So this is definitely a winning trade. Let's hope so. So the app is still giving us more signals that we can choose from. Like here you can see USD CHF is very strong uptrend in 1 minute, in 5 minutes, and again you can see it's very strong uptrend, and it's 3 bars. So whenever you get more bars, that shows you that that's a very strong signal. So you can also take advantage of that when taking your trades. So let's wait for this trade to close. So we've closed in profit, an ITM. So if you need to get a vfxalert app account, just click the first link in the description, sign up, put in your details, and start trading with the apps. And remember to analyze the markets well. Test these signals on a demo account before you can invest your real money in it. So keep watching the other videos in this channel for more content to come. Till next time, see you.